Hi, this is the calamity. About 15 lakh youths graduate every year and only about 3 lakhs gets job in core sector. More shocking is India produces about 3 lakh management graduates but only 35,000 are employable. It's not the fault of youths. The reason is known to everyone, that is our old age education system is designed to build the culture of job seekers. Schools and colleges have no interest in building entrepreneurial culture. Reason, there are no exams on how to build successful startups. I mean, not in syllabus, so of course they are free from the burden of building entrepreneurial culture. A youth whose mind for 25 years is cultivated to somehow get a job can never be a successful entrepreneur. There can be exceptions, and that's what we see in India. To me, it is easier to cultivate the entrepreneurial culture than the culture of job seekers. Simply because every child born is a natural entrepreneur. It's the education that is killing the natural potential, and the proof is that's why we see majority of world's most successful entrepreneurs for whom our youths die to work for are either school or college dropouts. Now, the root cause is absence of financial literacy education in schools and colleges. And that's why my program is so relevant. I have designed the mentorship program with my learnings of over 20 years working with corporations and educational institutions worldwide. To know more, click on the link below and book a free session today. Thank you.